Maximize reseller profits with AuthoritySites AI. Our premium domains feature superior quality, proven high-performance metrics, and exceptional resale value for your investment portfolio. Key features: 1. AI-powered content generation for building niche authority websites quickly. Key features: 2. Automated site structuring and internal linking for better SEO performance. Key features: 3. One-click publishing to major platforms like WordPress and Blogger. Key features: 4. Built-in monetization strategies and ad placement optimization tools. Key features: 5. Comprehensive competitor analysis and keyword research suite. Pros: 1. The AI content creation is remarkably fast, producing well-structured articles in minutes instead of hours. This drastically cuts down on the initial setup time for a new site, allowing you to focus on promotion and monetization strategies much sooner. Pros: 2. Automated SEO optimization is a game changer, handling technical aspects like meta tags and internal links. This ensures even beginners can build sites that search engines love, increasing organic traffic potential without deep technical knowledge. Pros: 3. The one-click publishing feature streamlines workflow significantly by eliminating manual copying and pasting. This integration with popular CMS platforms makes content deployment effortless and reduces the chance of formatting errors. Pros: 4. Built-in monetization guidance provides clear, actionable steps for earning revenue. This is invaluable for newcomers who might otherwise struggle with affiliate marketing or ad placement, offering a faster path to profitability. Pros: 5. The competitor analysis tool offers deep insights into rival strategies and content gaps. This intelligence allows you to create superior content that targets unmet user needs, giving you a competitive edge in your niche. Cons: 1. The AI-generated content, while fast, often requires human editing to add a unique voice and deeper insights. This can lead to a homogenized tone across articles if not carefully reviewed, potentially reducing brand distinctiveness. Cons: 2. There's a noticeable learning curve for complete beginners unfamiliar with SEO or website management. The array of features can be overwhelming initially, requiring time investment in tutorials before achieving proficiency. Cons: 3. The tool's performance is heavily dependent on a stable, high-speed internet connection. Any connectivity issues can disrupt the content generation and publishing process, causing frustrating delays in your workflow. Cons: 4. Some advanced customization options for site design and layout are limited within a platform. Users seeking highly unique visual branding may find the templates somewhat restrictive, necessitating additional tools. Cons: 5. The subscription cost, while reasonable for the features, might be a barrier for hobbyists or those on a very tight budget. It requires a commitment to see a return on investment, which may not suit casual users. User review. Marcus Thorne, 5. This AI transformed my content strategy. My site's traffic doubled in 2 months. Incredible. User review. Sarah Jenkins, 4. Great for generating article outlines quickly. Saves me hours of research every week. User review. David Chun, 2. The content needs a lot of editing to sound human. It's a starting point, not a finished product. User review. Elena Rodriguez, 5. The one-click publishing to WordPress is a lifesaver. My workflow has never been smoother. User review, Kevin Miller. 3. It's good, but the keyword research tool isn't as powerful as some standalone alternatives. User review, Priya Sharma. 4. Excellent for building a site foundation fast. The SEO suggestions are very helpful for a newbie. User review, Robert Smith. 1. Struggled with constant connection timeouts. Could not complete a single project successfully. User review, Chloe Williams. 5. Worth every penny. The automated internal linking alone is a huge time saver. User review, Alex Johnson. 3. Does what it says, but the interface feels a bit clunky and could use a modern update. User review, Maya Patel. 4. Solid AI writer. It produces good first drafts that I can easily polish and personalize. Conclusion, a powerful tool for digital marketers and content creators looking to scale their operations efficiently. It excels in automation, but requires a user's creative touch to maximize its potential and achieve standout results. Thank you for watching. Link to order in the description.